Okay, so you installed your WordPress blog using Fantastico on your HostGator web hosting account with your GoDaddy domain name. That's my system, but now I'm going to give you a little bit more in-depth video tutorial so that I can show you a little bit more. I want to help you learn how to customize your WordPress blog. So this is a little overview of everything. This is the newest version of WordPress. I believe it's 2.81, and let's see here, maybe it's 2.8, sorry about that. Anyway, well, this is your dashboard. This is how it looks when you first get it. You can close all these up if you don't want to read them. Anyway, so here's your first thing. Here's how do you post. You edit, add new, post tags. You can do your categories for your post here. Now the media section, all your videos, images, even your ebooks can be uploaded through the media. Okay, it's going to provide you a link, and it's going to be in another tutorial when I go in depth, but it'll provide you a link that you can add to your page. So anything that's in there is going to have a link to it with your URL. So here is the links section. It's like your blog roll. If you're going to make a list of certain websites that you want people to see, this is where you would go and add the categories. You can do it for any type of website or URLs. Now here's where you make pages. Pages are a great thing, like your about, how to contact you, resources. This is how you basically can make a static page too. And I'm going to go in further in that in another video. So you're going to have to stay tuned because I'm going to give you all the hints on how to set this all up. Now here is where you can go through your comments when people leave comments on your blog. The appearance. Here's where your themes are. Now you'll see columns on your WordPress blog. Those are where the widgets are going to go. Here's where your editor is. With the new version of WordPress, which is great, and I'm going to show you this in the next video, is that you can add new themes right from your dashboard as long as it's downloaded on your computer. How easy is that? So you have to stay tuned because I'm going to teach you how to change the theme and install plugins on the next video, okay? Speaking of it, there's plugins. Here's where your list of all your installed plugins are going to be. You want to add a new one. Of course, it's going to have to be downloaded to your computer first before you can add it. Or you can actually search them, and I'm going to show you how to do that too. Here's where all your users are. Here's your profile, tools, how to import, export, upgrade. Here's where all your settings are. Let's see here. In the writing one, this is going to give you a bunch of different options. Let's see here, I wanted the general one, sorry about that. So this is where your blog title is, where you can change it. Here's where your WordPress address, your URL. There's your blog address. So if it was, if you had put in blog where the root directory is, then that's where it would come up. There's your email address. This is all stuff that you put in there. Make sure you change your time zone, how you like your date format, when your week starts. Another thing, let's see here, reading. This is where once you have made your page, you can come in here and you can select your about, and you can make it a static page. Also up here, if you right click this, you can load and check out your blog. Pretty cool, huh? Or you can make it your latest post. You don't have to have a static. And that would look like this. So that all your posts would be down here. Okay, let's see, what else can I show you? Permalinks, let's look at those. Now here is where you can actually change the way that your blog is presented up here. Basically I use, oh goodness, let me check just a second. Okay, so I found it. So basically you want to do a /, a %, post name, %, / and what that's going to do is it is actually going to put in your post name up here. Okay, so I think also your privacy, you want to make sure that if you'd like your blog to be visible, if you're going to make it something that's like business oriented, you don't want to have it blocked from search engines, because you want to be able to get that traffic and you want to be able to gain visibility by the search engines. So make sure that it's checked here that you would like your blog to be visible to everyone, including search engines like Google, Sphere, Technorati, and Archivers. Okay? So here, let me show you one quick little post, and then you can see how it'll look. We'll just make a test post. Okay, so see how it says here, test.jasplace.com /test post. So it took the name and it made it part of the URL. Okay, so let's save it and let's preview it. Preview. And there it is. So this is just generically set up. So stay tuned so that I can show you the next video on how to install themes and plugins. Okay.